Good morning, everybody. It's Lizzy with Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. Just coming to show you a couple things this morning. Well, just one thing. I worked on this all day yesterday. Go sit on the potty, Arietta. I worked on this all day yesterday. This is dandelion green soup. I'm sorry I don't have the recipe, guys. This is the first time I made it, so I was experimenting. Here it is. I got really mature dandelion greens and didn't realize it, and I cooked with them and it made my soup very, very bitter. So I worked on this all day yesterday, and I let it sit overnight, and that's what did it. I had to do 3 different techniques to take the bitterness out. Then I had to put in some crushed red pepper and actually let it sit. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry that it cut out that way, but this is the soup. Like I said, I worked all day yesterday on this. Is medicine, guys. This is iron. I put zucchini in here. I put yellow squash in here. There's onions in here. There's also really long, nice shreds of romaine in here. I've got olive oil. Here's the seasonings that I use. As a matter of fact, some of these I put. That was it for today, guys. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show y'all because I don't know how much I'm going to really be able to be on here today other than the dandelion soup. Just to let you guys know, peaches, you can freeze this whole. There's a process that you have to peel them and cut them and dunk them in a solution and blanch them and da-da-da. You don't have to do that really, guys. Put the peach whole in the freezer. When you're ready to eat those peaches, since you've got them frozen whole, like my freezer ran, so since you've got the peaches frozen whole, if you want them peeled and you're not going to use the whole thing for a smoothie or something, just take this and let it sit and run it under some cold water. The skin peels off literally like string cheese. It's kind of perfect. So, oh, and for all my summertime mamas, this is how I make Area's popsicles. I put her fruits and I puree them and I stick them in a little popsicle thing. So this is how, she gets to eat her popsicles. You can kind of see some of them up there. This is the bag of butternut squashes that I did for you guys yesterday. And this is a tray of mangoes that I am freezing. You guys saw that process when I did it for you. So, but that's it for this morning. We're not going to be doing too much today. My best friend is here, so I'm really excited. We're going to be doing a lot of hanging out with the baby. So we're going to be having a lot of outdoor time today. But this is really what I came on here to show y'all. This wonderful, amazing dandelion soup. Now, of course, next time it's going to be perfect because I know what to do. But this time it does taste really good, but you can kind of tell it was my first time making it. But it came out good. I'm glad I didn't throw it away over the bitterness. I realized after I did all 4 bitter techniques, by the morning time, after letting it sit at room temperature overnight, this is something that's edible. It's something that's really good. This is medicine. It's like a pot full of medicine, guys. It's not anything that you ever want to waste. Dandelion greens and sarsaparilla are 2 of the main sources of iron, 2 of the only sources of iron that you're going to be able to get out here naturally in like one jam-packed fortified force. So dandelion greens and sarsaparilla, I believe is how you pronounce that. But yeah, take a look, guys. Go to the store. If you have a local co-op, you can find this stuff at your local co-op. So go to your local co-op and you'll have dandelion greens there for like $3 a bunch. So I hope you guys